federal judge in Texas has temporarily blocked the enforcement of a near-total ban on abortion in the state. The order is the first legal blow to the Texas law, which until now has withstood a wave of early challenges. Mark Stone has the details.
We'll hear a lot about abortion, about its legality in states right across this land, because it is expected that at some point in December, the Supreme Court, a very right-leaning new Supreme Court, will look at the issue of abortion, and we may well see some pretty extraordinary changes coming into effect. This case, though, the case you're referring to, ongoing in Texas, the Texas legal apparatus banned abortions effectively after 6 weeks after a heartbeat is detected. Very, very controversial. Activists say it effectively bans abortion altogether because most women would not know whether they were pregnant before that 6-week time. Now, what has happened over the course of the past 24 hours is interesting. The Joe Biden's administration tried to block this ban. They appealed it, and a federal judge in Austin in Texas, Robert Pittman, has upheld the appeal, effectively blocking the law from coming into effect. It is temporary, though, but the language used by this federal judge is very, very strong. He refers to the law by its official name, SB 8, and he says, from the moment SB 8 went into effect, women have been unlawfully prevented from exercising control over their own lives in ways that are protected by the Constitution. And then in a very pointed remark in his comments, he said, this court will not sanction one more day of this offensive deprivation of such an important right. Those there, the words of Robert Pittman, pausing, for the time being at least, this very controversial law down in Texas. It's certainly a victory for women who have been campaigning, not just in Texas, but across the country against this law. It's a victory, too, for the Biden administration, who are very much against it, too. But it is not the end, because already the legal apparatus down in Texas have appealed this decision to pause the law.